going to start here with TGHL. Barb Electric says TGHL looks interesting. Stock is rocketing here. Went up towards $3. It's come back in. It looks like it's holding above its VWAP here. What do we have for today? On May 28th, 2026, Growth Hub, which is TGHL, excuse me. By the way, this is from Singapore. Growth Hub signed a merger term sheet with Enchem America, granting Enchem shareholders 85% ownership in the combined company. Okay, that's your news here today. Short interest on this name, 1.72%, 5.62 days to cover, 13. I wouldn't even put too much stock into that days to cover. This seems like low short interest to me. Float is 12.7 million. On average, the stock is a ghost town and trades about 60,000 shares. Let me refresh this and see if I have an actual volume measurement here for today. 13. What do you think here on TGHL? And I hope I got that ticker right this time.
Yeah,
yes, TGHL.
I didn't do all the math on it to see, where this is going to go based on this merger. Looked at that and it's like, okay, well, this might have limited upside, but there's still some interesting levels we could take a look at here. Didn't really bother with the financials since this is, basically going to be a takeover. 12.7 million shares in the float. If we want to try and take a stab at this today, this already had a nice run that went up to just a little bit past 306 is what I've got here. Looking at a daily chart, though, there's not a whole lot of history. We only saw this come onto the market back in at the end of August, and the price history I have for since that time really only gives me a few levels to watch for, and it looks like 350, and 4 are going to be the next major resistance areas before we have a blue sky breakout, if we even get up there. So that's what I'd be keeping an eye on here if we're going to trade this to the upside. Otherwise, to the downside, you've got support at the VWAP, and I would say at 145, 150 area.
Okay. I do see us as being in a fair value gap here, by the way. I have no position on it, not necessarily looking to take it, but this is what I have from that study. So this is what we're looking at.